Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up ads from happening on your Android phone. So it's really easy to do. All we have to do is use the Brave browser. So let's go to our Google Play Store and let's type in Brave browser in the search bar. So as you can see, I already have it installed, but I'm gonna go ahead and update it since it seems like they just released an update. And let's give it a minute or two to finish installing. So once Brave browser has been installed, let's go ahead and open it. And then let's try going to a web page. So let's try going to Fandom Wiki. Here we go, Phantom Wiki. And as you can see, I'm using the website no problem without any pop-up ads from happening. So let's just go ahead and try to look for a web page we can view. Click on some random link. And as you can see, there are no ads, no pop-up ads within the web page. So that's how you can stop pop-up ads from happening or from showing on your Android phone. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.